jar, add half cup of mint leaves, 1 cup of coriander leaves, 4 to 5 garlic, 1 green chilli, add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon salt, add 1 tablespoon of roasted gram, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, add water and blend it. Now green chutney is ready. Next to a bowl, add 1 cup of besan, 1 teaspoon chilli powder, add salt as per your taste. Now add water. Mix it well without lumps. Bring it to a consistency of thick batter. Now take the mirchi, slice it in the center. Remove its seeds. Next, dip it in the batter and coat it well. Now drop it in hot oil and deep fry it. Fry it till the color changes. After color changes, strain it out. Next to a bowl, add 1 cup of grated carrot, chopped onion, coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Now take fried mirchi and apply green chutney in the center. Now fill the stuffing. Repeat the same process once again. Now the dish is ready to serve. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.